In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple Google Ads accounts. If you work across several brands or clients, a Google Ads Manager account, often called an MCC, lets you bring everything together under one roof. Start by creating a manager account using a Google email address you want to own and administer the access with. This doesn't replace individual Google Ads accounts. It simply connects them so you can control permissions and reporting from a single dashboard. Sign into your manager account. From the main view, look for the accounts icon. This is your central hub for all linked accounts. Open it, then choose sub-account settings. Think of this as your control panel for adding, viewing, and managing the accounts that will sit under your manager. Inside sub-account settings, click the plus button. You'll see options to either create a brand new Google Ads account or link one that already exists. Choose link existing account since we're connecting accounts that are already running. You'll now be asked for the customer ID of the Google Ads account you want to link. This is the 10-digit number with dashes shown at the top of every Google Ads account. Get it from the account owner or your records, and make sure you have permission to manage that account. You don't need anyone's password, just the customer ID and their approval to grant manager access. If you're onboarding more than one account, you can paste multiple customer IDs, each on a separate line. Take a moment to double check every digit. A single typo will prevent the request from reaching the correct account and can slow you down. When everything looks good, click Send Request. Google Ads immediately notifies users on the existing account by email that your manager account is requesting access. You'll also see your request listed as pending in your sub-account settings until it's acted on. Those users must accept the invitation before the link becomes active. If they don't see the email, they can find the request directly in their Google Ads interface. It's normal for approvals to take a little time, so a quick heads up to the account owner can help move things along. Once the invitation is accepted, you'll receive a confirmation, and the account will appear in your manager account's accounts section. From there, you can switch between accounts quickly, monitor performance consistently, and keep your work organized and secure as your portfolio grows. And that's the process for managing multiple Google Ads accounts with a manager account.